Congratulations with your new puppy! We understand at start that it can be very overwhelming and actually terrifying when you have a new pup at home. So we gathered all our passion and all our knowledge inside one box, the PuppyPack. Inside this PuppyPack you can also find one very special feature, and that is the Paw Port. Inside the Paw Port you can find the detail of every product that is inside the box. Underneath the product you can also find your QR code. With your smartphone you can scan this and you'll go directly to a video that can guide you and show you how to use that product in the most perfect way. Underneath the video you can find a description as well on how to use it in detail. If you want, you can also ask all your questions underneath the video and we will answer them with very much pleasure. So, do not worry. If you have a struggle or you have a difficult time with your puppy, Showtick is here for you and we will help you in every possible way we can. So, to conclude this video, we would actually like to congratulate you and wish you the best of luck with your new puppy.